In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell an NFT on OpenSea. First, head to the OpenSea website. Once the page loads, move your cursor to the profile icon in the top navigation. A small menu will appear there. Click Profile to open your account area where you can see the NFTs associated with your connected wallet. Inside your profile, open the Items section. This is where all your owned collectibles are organized. If you have a large collection, use the search bar to quickly locate the specific NFT you want to sell. Typing a collection name or keyword can save time and help you avoid listing the wrong item. When you found the NFT, select it and choose the List Item option. This starts the listing flow. You'll see a field to enter the amount, which is the price you want to charge. Think of this as your fixed listing price. Take a moment to consider recent sales, the collection's floor price, rarity traits, and marketplace fees, so your pricing is competitive while still meeting your goals. If your NFT is part of a multi-edition collection and you hold more than one copy, adjust the quantity using the plus button to set how many you want to sell in this listing. If you only own a single unique item, quantity will typically remain at 1. Next, set how long your listing should remain active by selecting the days control. Choose a duration that makes sense for your strategy. Shorter windows can create urgency, while longer windows give buyers more time to discover your item. Make sure the end date and time align with when you'll be available to monitor activity. With price, quantity, and duration in place, click Review Listing. Use this screen to double-check every detail before it goes live. Confirm the price is exactly what you intended, the quantity reflects how many you're releasing, and the expiration date matches your plan. It's easier to correct anything here than after the listing is published. When everything looks good, click Confirm. You may see a brief prompt in your wallet to finalize the action. Approve it and your NFT will be posted for sale. After a moment, your item will appear on the marketplace with the price and expiration you selected, ready for buyers to discover. That's it. You've navigated to your profile, found your NFT, set the price and quantity, chose the listing duration, reviewed the details, and confirmed the listing. Follow these steps each time you want to sell an NFT on OpenSea, and you'll have a smooth, consistent process from start to finish.